Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we're going to do another activity with water. Yesterday we learned about how water is constantly moving, and we got to see those tiny H2O molecules moving around using food coloring. Today we're going to take a look at water again, but this time we're going to find out what sinks in the water and what floats in the water. Let's see what materials we need. You don't need a lot. You need a sink filled with water or a container filled with water if you can't use your sink. The kitchen sink works great for this activity as long as you have your mom and dad's permission. You also need a bag of materials. Now, some of you might have a bag of materials you got from Mr. Kevin. Those are for this activity, but it's also fun to go around your house and find all sorts of different things to see which items sink or float. This is a great activity and you can learn a lot from it. So I have my bag of materials and I just gathered these from my house. I didn't get them from Mr. Kevin. And I'm going to take my materials and just put them in the water. Then I'm going to think about which materials sink to the bottom, which ones float on top of the water. And then I want to come up with a reason why. Why do I think some of the materials float in the water? And why do I think some of the materials sink to the bottom? Let's find out. I have a piece of wood. Put that in the sink. And a half-empty bottle of glue. I found a plastic spoon. A pot cleaner. A little round toy. Ooh. A cracker, a clothespin, a button, a cute little mouse, a bead, another bead, a safety pin, and a shower. Let's see. Okay, they're all in the water. Are you ready to see what there is? Let's take a look. What's sunk down to the bottom? Which items are floating on top? Well, if I take a look at all of the materials, I can see which ones are sinking and which ones are floating. Now, I'm just going to make a list. Grab a piece of paper and write sink on one side and float on the other. You can always fold your paper in half first, then it's easier to draw the line. That's actually what I did. And now get your pencil and write down. What's sunk down to the bottom? Put it on this side of your list. What's floating on top of the water? Put it on this side. I hope you have fun with this activity and try again. Find some more things and decide why. I can't wait to see your reasons why and your list of items that sink and float. Have fun, everybody.